Just doing a real quick walk, taking a peek around. We're supposed to get snow tonight. So I got the last of the leaves at home mulched before the snow. One of the neighbors has huge trees that still have leaves on them because still has leaves because it's been too warm. There's a deer way over there. Coming out right now. Walking across. Looks like a buck to me. I'm on the wrong side of the North Fork, North Branch, Chicago River. But it's too cold for me today. It's very windy today. I didn't dress for it. I went and got my hair cut. My hair's still a little damp. So I need to get home. Thought maybe I would just stumble across some buck action, but that ain't gonna happen. There's too many people out here today. It's already past noon. I'm getting up later and later. The sunrise is later and later though too. So that's how things work.